Welcome. In this video, we'll see how to create a template with variable and without variable in Interact. So this is a demo company what we have, and this is the interface you get once you take Tally Prime to WhatsApp. And once I click on templates, so these are all the templates that we are using from so much time. And here is the template library where you have so many options to where we can use this. You can just click on use this template and we can make the changes wherever we want to, and we can start sending it. That is also possible. So this here we get a screen which shows how this message will look in Android, and if you click here in iOS, that is also possible. And in case you do not want to use an existing template and you want to create your own template, you can come to active and then you can create new. Here you can give any template name, test, demo, and then choose the category. Utility, marketing, authentication, depends on what you want to create. Utility is when you want to send any transaction messages, which is your invoice, ledger, or report. That is called utility. Marketing is when you want to send any messages which is non-transaction, and authentication is when you want to send any OTP. So currently we want to do a marketing campaign. So button type, you have two options: code, copy code, URL, quick replies options, or you can have a button of limited time offer. I'll select quick replies, and then I'll go to add language, and here I'll select English. So here we have these 5 formats in which we can send any document. Say, let's say I'll select image and we can choose an image. Say I'll choose this image. I'm doing yeah, I'll choose this image, and it will be seen that how it looks in the WhatsApp. And then I can write a message. You can see the message is also getting typed here. Dear, I want to write the name of the client. So dear, add variable 1 comma, we are glad to introduce Tally Prime with WhatsApp. This feature will help, add variable. So I want to add their company name here to save time and also to reach a lot of customers at once. I can use this emojis or bold and italics and all of that if I want to use. And here it's a short line. So here we can give the name of your company like this, or we can also give a keyword to unsubscribe, like reply stop to unsubscribe, and the name of the company we can give here only. So it will be Best Growth Partners, and then I'll come down. Here we have multiple options. Add coupon code. In case you have an offer running and you want to send that coupon code to selected people, you can do that. And add website URL, static and dynamic. There are two things where if you want to add a website, say for example, add a website here, www dot, sorry, it's https growthpartners.in, and it should appear as check website. Once anybody clicks on this, they can directly be redirected to website. Add phone number, so this call button appears, and say I give my office number. On one click they can uh, call now. And then I can add quick replies also. For example, request demo, you can see here. And then I can add multiple, like request callback. So if I add more than 3, it will show like this, see all options, but you can add up to 10 buttons like this, and whatever buttons they click, you will be able to see. And then you have to click on submit. So here we have to also add a sample here, so which gets approved. So I'll just select and add the same image again. And then if I come down here, they ask of what that is. So here, so first one is the name, and second one what we had was actually company, right? And everything else is there here, and then I'll click on done. So now everything, so this is how the message will look in your Android and iOS. If you click here, it's about iOS, and then I can click on submit, and and as you can see it's just creating this entire template and click submit. And till now we have got all the templates approved within 5 minutes, but there are also cases where the template just doesn't get approved, it gets rejected based on some of the vocabulary what you have used in your template. So as you can see it's pending. So once it is approved from the company, WhatsApp company, you can see this as approved. I'll just refresh and check if it is already approved. Yeah, it's done. So it did not even take 2 minutes for this to get approved, and this is the way in which we create templates with variables or without variables depending on your use case, and we can shoot bulk messages to clients. Thank you, have a great day.